everybody. Today is Friday, July 4th. Let's have a fun weekend.
Passion you. 3, 2, 1. Dude, I didn't actually know that was true.
I don't know numbers and I don't know time.
Oh.
No, because whenever we
days
do
a
family worship,
Yeah.
my mom would say the hit number in Korean.
Oh.
And I would struggle.
I'd have to go through it in my head. Or even days of the week. I don't know days of the week. I know true that.
That's
But
not
there's-
even...
Is that not?
That's like Lord's Day.
Yeah,
That's
oh
not
my
Sunday.
Wait, yeah, I was talking about it and I was like, true that. And then she was
Oh, I
like,
said that
wait,
too.
yeah, she said, that's not
You
even
do it on
Sunday.
Sunday.
Yeah, I was like, bro, what the heck?
Look at him, he's so smug.
일요일, 월요일,
What's Tuesday?
True.
금요일. Oh, no, 금요일 is Friday.
Yeah.
Tuesday?
You don't
Tuesday.
need to know this, bro.
You need to
And
know
then
this.
수요일,
Yeah, that's... What is that?
Wednesday,
Yeah?
토요일.
That's
Oh,
Saturday.
no, that's Saturday. Okay. Wait, Thursday? Oh, wait! 목요일?
That's Thursday. What's Tuesday?
I don't know.
화요일.
Oh,
I know that.
There's two ways to say numbers though.
Okay.
There's like-
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷.
Yeah. So
I
there's
don't know
two.
which one it is.
It depends on the context.
Tuesday. 화요일. Yeah! My short-term memory. 주일아. I got it.
일요일.
일요일. You said the worst day, so I got it. 주일아.
I had a bag of chips.
That's not very easy for them.
저는...
And you go too at the same time. Some things.
Wait,
Yeah, because you're just gonna pick up mine.
I ate a bag of chips.
Are we doing polite or just
Doesn't
to your
matter.
friend?
Doesn't matter. I can. Yeah.
Okay.
wait, but you wouldn't say bag, would you?
Just translate it.
In my head.
The literal translation I know is wrong.
Nah, it sounds so bad. It would sound so retarded if I said it.
Just say it.
한 과자 바구니 먹었어요.
Okay. What's your
What'd you say? 과자.
No, bro. I didn't say anything. No.
나는 한 과자통 먹었어.
Who's more right?
Okay, I think he was more accurate.
What?
과자 한 봉지를 먹었다. or 먹었습니다. or
봉지 versus
Yeah.
통?
Oh, you said 봉지?
You
No, I
said
said-
바구니.
Bro, what are you talking
Oh my god.
about? Chips.
I love my family.
So
Especially
easy.
you. It can be human and it can be chicken.
Okay.
나는 나 가족 사랑해. 특히 지원이.
Wait, that was pretty good.
No, dude.
Wait, what do you mean?
Your version.
What do you mean no?
Let's see who's more natural.
You didn't know. He didn't know the word cookie. He did not know the word cookie.
It's not cookie.
I should have.
It's because the word's not
Okay, right now, go.
It's 나는 내 가족 너무 사랑해요. 특별히 시원. It's 특별히, isn't it?
No, Tuki is more natural.
I thought it was 특별히.
What is your favorite verse in the Bible?
마태복음
6절. Oh, I got it.
Okay.
Oh wait. I don't think. Emma always says
I know it is.
Okay.
I know what it is.
What is your favorite verse in the Bible? 성경에 제일 좋아하는 장 뭐예요?
Okay, Chang said Chang.
Wait, that's what I was gonna say.
Word
Like
is it?
word for word.
Is it
칠!
it was close, closer. It sounded closer.
6장 입칠.
No.
칠.
So,
칠.
no, I said no.
Kill.
No, it think.
It sounds close.
칠.
No, I said no.
6장 입칠.
2 hours later.
마태복음 6장
마태복음 6장 7.
It's close.
기칠.
기치
No.
기침.
No.
기실.
No.
기칠. Wait, what is it? Yeah.
That's it.
구절 절 마태복음 6장 19절
What was it?
절
Where are we going?
We're going to see the fireworks.
Fireworks.
To celebrate America's birthday.
Happy birthday, America! We stick it out up here, because otherwise you might hit other cars.
Wait, you're right.
Yeah.
I've had enough auto accidents. Oh yeah.
USA USA Oh look at that breeze dude
What's going on, vlog? She's repping USC. Ba 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 da. Wait, I don't know the USC anthem. Fight on. What did Tritons do? What is it? Down. Fight on. Tritons down. Fight on. There's Mama, Kevin, Black or Mamba. Wait, what's his? Davis Mamba. Oakley Kim.
And Oakley got a haircut.
Oakley did. Cover his ears. Cover his ears.
Good morning, everybody. Today is Saturday, July 5th. It's actually pretty early. It's a little before 8:30 in the morning. I have a nail appointment at 9 in the morning today. So what I'm gonna do is nails done, and then I have to go find a tie that matches my dress. So I have two dress options in here. You can try to guess which of the 5 choices from yesterday I am leaning towards. So I'm gonna try to find Jiwon's tie option at the mall. Read my 10 pages. I am currently rereading When Breath Becomes Air. This book was so good the first time around, and it actually made me cry. I'm also drinking a little bit of a protein shake just because I don't think I'm gonna eat till I come back. I want to get my 45-minute workout in just because yesterday I used my active recovery for the week, so I gotta get some type of workout in between lunch and preparing to go to the wedding. So I am wearing my gym clothes just in case. If I could squeeze one in before lunch or go directly after lunch and then get ready to go to the wedding. Either way, lots on the agenda today, so let's get to it. Alright, hi guys, I got my nails done. So much better. The base color is called Sheer in the City, and then for the white, I didn't want it like super white French tip, so I went for like a softer color. It's called Wedding Veil, and my nail tech was like, I like this combo, so she said she wanted to try it out for herself but do an ombre, so we'll see how that turns out. But thankfully, there is a gym right next to where my nail place is that I have access to, so I did do my workout. It is 11:20. I'm gonna head over to the mall and try to find a red tie that fits my dress so Chiwon and I can be matching, and then go home, eat lunch, and then Chiwon and I will get ready for the wedding. Guys, I went with the halter top red dress, and Chiwon is wearing a navy suit with a red tie that I got him. I think it's a pretty good match. What do you think?
Oh yeah.
Looks good.
We matching.
We matching. And
Davis
for my
mama
bag,
out.
for my bag, I have on this black Tory like wallet chain bag that my mom got me like years ago. I just shortened the strap a little bit. But we are ready to go. My perfume of choice for today